I've got CAM2 Measure X open here, and I wanted to show you guys an error that occurs based on your Navigator screen, which is this one here, and when you start pulling in CAD files. Most of the computers that I use are laptops here at Diverse Dimensions, and I've got 3 XPSs, and I've got an Alienware, and I've got one hand-built that's built off an Asus platform. But what we usually do is we trick out the video cards or the graphics cards for our laser scanning. So we usually get the NVIDIA GeForce cards, and there's known issues with certain video cards or graphics cards in the Faro system here with X as far as tying into this Navigator here. So I'm just going to bring that thing over to the side by clicking on that little thumbtack there, and it usually gives me more of my screen here, which is a good thing too. But now in this blank FCE file, if I was to go to File and insert CAD parts, defaults to the X1 directory here, and I'm going to pull in the same file that I used as an example for translating of CAD files, which is this casting here. I'll open that up. Beautiful part. I'll go to the view and shade it here a second. And before I get into my measurement session, maybe I'd like to rotate that around a little bit or put it into a view that's more relevant to my measurement position. This is one thing to watch out for, is as soon as I click on the Navigator, I'm not even clicking, I guess, I'm just making my way over to the Navigator a little bit more. Ooh. As soon as I touch that Navigator icon on the side there, it crashes the entire system. Not good. So I'll bring up X1 here again and just show how that works again. If I have the Navigator screen open and I pull a CAD model in, so now my Navigator screen is open here on the side, and if I go File, Insert CAD Part, and again, I'll pick up on this casting right there. It's reading it in, and it crashes the system. So just be aware of that. If you've got a laptop that might have a graphics card in it that might be giving you this issue, or if you are encountering this issue where it's just crashing the system as you pull in CAD files, that could be part of it, is that your graphics card or your video card is not mixing well with this Navigator. So if you know that's a hiccup, I would always auto-hide the Navigator. Bring that over to the side, and instead of using the Navigator to rotate your CAD file around, in fact, I will pull another CAD file in here and do the same thing. Okay, I would go under my View menu and use the Rotate function here, or use the Shaded in the Wireframe function underneath the View menu, and stay away from the Navigator screen right there.